I think I have more hair on my face than most boys do, so it's something I'm really proud of, you know? Hey everyone, today is Friday. I'm going to be going to Scotland on Sunday, so I thought I would film myself, like pamper myself a bit. I need to get rid of my mustache, tint my brows, wax my legs, which will be fun, and pack as well, so it'll be like a pack with me / glow up sort of video. So if that's something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. Missing someone. Okay, so I'm just gonna tint my brows first. I've never done this myself before, so I have no idea how it's gonna go. It's the Eyelure Dye Brow Kit in the shade Dark Brown. I have to spread petroleum jelly over my skin. Is it bad if I just use this? Like my lip balm? I know it's the same thing, but like... Pierce cream colour dye tube nozzle opened with sharp end of cap. Didn't make any sense, but oh no, it's starting to come out already. Squeeze approximately 2 centimeters of dye into mixing dish. Replace lid immediately. How do you measure 2 centimeters of dye? Is that 2 centimeters? Like, I'm not gonna get the ruler out. Let's add 5 drops of activating solution to the dish using the applicator mixed together well. Okay, so somehow I think I've done it wrong. It looks like actual shit. It didn't work properly and it's just in a big blob. Right, no, sorry, that's going in the bin. It says it should be a creamy consistency and shouldn't drip. I can see this going horribly wrong. Right, it says to apply with your eye closed, so this will be fun. Like, how am I supposed to see with my eye closed? What if it gets on your skin to wipe it away immediately? I should maybe use like an actual mirror rather than my phone. Like slap it on or just like... I don't even know. So I do think it's actually starting to develop. It's like stained my fingers already, so the fact that it's on my skin right now is not ideal because I thought it'd be fine, but it looks like it is actually gonna stain. So yeah, it does develop. I'm working tomorrow, so this better not turn out awfully. So the good news is, if this turns out horribly, I had like an eyebrow disaster in September. I went to this place and got HD brows done and she literally dyed them black. So I ordered this like tint remover stuff from Sally's to sort that out. So like if this goes absolutely horribly, I'll be able to just like remove the dye, which is good. They kind of look like slugs at the minute, I'm not gonna lie, and it's kind of starting to burn. Also, ignore my baby hairs. They are currently gelled solid and they're just sitting up in a wee spike there, so just that's not there. Just while we're waiting, actually, I just got this in the post. I did an order on Prima Lashes the other day because I've ran out of lashes and they were only like £3 each. So I got my duo lash glue. This is the... I think this is the latex free or something one. I usually just have the blue one, but yeah, I don't really know why I got this one, but it's fine. And then I got 3 pairs of lashes. They're all like a similar sort of style. They're just like nice fluffy lashes. So the first ones I've got are... So these are called Perfect and they're just these. They just look like really nice fluffy ones. They're probably like the least intense ones out of all of these. And then I've just got Royal, which are these ones. And they all look quite similar, to be honest, but that's just the type of lashes I like. I'm just gonna get a cotton pad and some warm water. Oh, that's really warm. Oh. So not bad. It's been so long since I've even had my brows tinted, so I feel like they're gonna feel really dark to me just because I've got used to them being a bit lighter just during lockdown, but I think they look good. And like once it comes off my skin a bit underneath, they'll look a lot better. I think that's quite a nice colour. I'm just gonna like get rid of all the stray hairs underneath and I'm just gonna pluck them out. I just tried to throw that cotton pad in the bin and it just stuck to the wall. Oops. Fresh project. Just tidied them up a wee bit, but that is like the finished product. Like I'm getting them properly done for my holidays, which is in like 4 weeks. I think that'll do. Like that'll do me until then, just to see all those marks on my wall. By the way, that is from my fairy lights that I used to have up there. I'm hopefully getting my room painted soon and I'm gonna get that wall grey. That is like, that's disgusting, so just ignore that. So I don't think I actually explained properly like what I'm doing. So I'm going to Scotland on Sunday to stay with my boyfriend for a week because I haven't seen him in 3 months. So yeah, I need to get all packed for that. I have no idea what we're going to do. We're probably just going to have to sit in the house. There's nothing else open really. So yeah, I don't really know what to bring. Like, I probably just need to bring like comfy clothes because I can't see us being able to actually do anything. This is the size of my hand luggage case, so I think I'm gonna be okay for the week. There's so much room in it. I was so shocked that this was actually small enough to be hand luggage because it's absolutely massive. So this is what I'll be using for the week. Okay, so I just set out most of what I need to bring with me. As you can see, I'm a very colourful person, so I think I'm just really gonna be living in like sweatshirts and hoodies. So I've brought 3 sweatshirts, some t-shirts, 2 pairs of shoes, pair of jeans in case I decide to do anything proper, jammies and like comfy clothes, leggings and shorts, underwear, sliders, like joggers and that, Albert of course, and my laptop and my Switch. And I think that's pretty much it. That's like my toiletries and all that. I need to decide whether to actually bring makeup with me because I don't know whether I'll actually need it or not, but yeah, that seems to be everything. And then obviously deodorant and that, but I'm gonna need that between now and then. One side of the case full already, so we're not off to a good start. So I think that's pretty much everything packed. Like obviously I need to put in my chargers and stuff like that and just like some last minute things, but as far as I'm aware that is pretty much everything, which I'm really happy with. It only took like 15 minutes. Okay, so it's now Saturday at like, I think it's like 5 o'clock. I've just finished work, so that's me off for a week. So I was waxing my legs last night and I ran out of wax. I've got like enough to do my mustache and that's it. So I literally have got like half bald legs and half man legs, so that's good. Like I only could do like the bottom half of my legs. But anyway, next I'm going to be getting rid of all the hairs on my face. So I've got my wee like women's razor thing. I just got these from Tesco's. They're just like wee disposable ones. So I'm just gonna start doing that. I don't even know if there's like a particular like place you're meant to start, but it's so bloody satisfying. Like look, It's like actual fluff. Look. Oh my god. I really am exposing myself here, aren't I? Lovely. I'm gonna put it in a wee pile. I'm gonna wax my mustache rather than doing it this way, just because I think it'll last a bit longer. Oh my god, this is disgusting. I actually love that. I think I have more hair on my face than most boys do, so it's something I'm really proud of, you know? You're meant to do your nose as well, I think, but last time I did this, I cut my nose, which is good. I don't really have anything on my nose to take off. I think it's meant to like, it's meant to get rid of like dead skin cells and stuff as well, like rather than just hair. So it's like, in general, just like really like good for your skin. I find though, like, whenever I rub like down the ways on my face, it's really smooth, but when I go up, it's so prickly. Like, that's definitely not how it's meant to be. I may as well just have a beard and stubble. Oh no, I've literally just like ripped some of my sideburn out. Love that for me. I've actually just shaved my hair. So this is what came off my face. How disgusting. It's like all fluffy hairs. So as I've said, I've got a bit of wax left for my mustache. I bought my own wax kit off Amazon just to like save myself some money. It was only like £25 and you just get like the wax beads and you just melt them and you do it yourself. This might be a bit too hot. Should I just do it anyway? Watch me burn myself out. Stunning. This is the type of wax that you just pull the actual wax off rather than using strips, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna do it in the middle as well. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so now that's hardened. Oh no. I should have done it in 2 separate bits. I'll pull it in 2 separate bits, right? So you just like lift the edge up. Oh. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ow. Ow. It kind of worked. I'll show you. You can see like all the wee hairs in the wax. Might do another wee strip just because it hasn't got it all. Oh, that's really hot. Oh shit. That's really sore. There we go. I need to turn the temperature on this though. So for anyone wondering, the wax kit I have is the Femiro one and you just get it on Amazon. It comes with like 3 packets of wax and beads and then also this other wax that melts, and it's done me quite a few applications. Like, it is good. I've just had to reorder some because I've nearly ran out, but it's really good. It saves you a lot of money rather than going to the beauticians or whatever, just for like wee things like this, like your mustache and stuff, like your upper lip. I'm just gonna pull this again. Fine. But like, see this wax, it's so much less painful than strip wax. Like, you know, the wax that they pull off like the strips with, it's so much sore. Like, this wax like traps all the hairs in it and then it doesn't pull in your skin. Like, it pulls the actual hairs rather than your skin, which is good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It does save you a lot of money in the long run. That is my face, like, hair free. I'll just go over it just in case I've missed any wee bits there. Apart from that, like, feel like a dolphin, like I'm smooth and you can't touch me. Should I do a wee teeth whitening strip? I don't know if I want to waste it or not. Nah, can't be bothered. So that brings us to the end of this video. It's Saturday night. I just need to wake up tomorrow, finish packing my last minute things, and I fly tomorrow at 20 to 8. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!